there's 24 boxes, so about 2,440 trees. There's 60 seedlings in each box, and and 17 of our members, of our amazing members, are contributing to growing these boxes. Some might have one box, some will have two boxes.
My role is going to be taking over from her, coordinating it for the next season. So I'm here today to sort of learn a bit more about it and do the handover.
I have grown a eucalyptus gilly, which I'd never really heard before, but they seem to have survived, which I'm very pleased about. And I only did a full tray of them. I haven't done many like some of the others have done, so just one tray. But I'm really looking forward to them going to the Eyre Peninsula, and I'd love to get a bit of an update on how they go.